Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error with your AirDrop. So if AirDrop not working on your iPhone, so how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing you need to try, just go to the settings and just find here Bluetooth. So just turn off Bluetooth, wait a few seconds and just turn it on. So after, just do it with Wi-Fi, so just tap on Wi-Fi, just turn off, wait a few seconds and just turn it on again. And if you still have this issue, so just go to the general, just find your shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So if it doesn't help you too, you can also try another way, so just make force restart on your phone. So it depends on model of iPhone you have, because I will tell you an example of iPhone X, iPhone 11 and iPhone 12. So just if you have another model of iPhone, just find in Google what combination of buttons you need to press to make force restart. So on these models with Face ID, you just need to press high volume button, then a low volume button, and just keep and hold power button until you will see black screen. So just keep holding this power button until you will see that this light to power off will disappear, and just keep holding it for a second and just release your finger from power button. And now we need to see Apple logo, so it means that we successfully made forced restart. So I hope that it will help you. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, write comments, click like, and goodbye.